this. There is a text somewhere. So okay. Classic. We have to work it out. Okay. Hmm. Okay. We need something like that. Let's wait for this. We have to wait for that. Oh. This is Nora Online. Alright. We're gonna do something about this because we have so many things to deal with like this type. Let me put it Nora Online. Okay. We can put it there. We can, and as you can see, this is it. Okay, we can do that. Let's put it right there like that. We can put that, and or we can do anything like that. Alright, so we're gonna make it smaller. You put there F. Okay, we can also do it again, make it smaller. F, and F. This is F. So okay, right there. We can put it there. F. Okay. So can put this thing right there, and we can use F. Okay. We are still far. Okay, F. We take a look at that. We can do that. Yep, that's cool. And then we are gonna do that late. Can put E, double that. Okay. Alright. We can do that. So can we zoom out a little bit there? So we can now simply play that. Is it alright? Okay. Okay. So we are trying. Anyway, that's it. Just trying, still trying. Okay. We can, if we do that, we can say that this is the daytime. Alright, we can even you have